What is going on, you beautiful people? I am Ryan. Welcome to the Accidental Overlander, my channel that I have made to help out other beginner campers just like me. Today we have made it to the George Washington National Forest, and if you saw my last video, I'm pretty excited because I didn't even get to camp last time with weather and other things. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to watch it. But we are here with daylight savings. I actually have a little bit of sunlight left, which is also pretty amazing because it's been pitch black the last 2 or 3 times I've made it here. So I'm gonna basically air down, and then the plan is to find a campsite that is close by because tomorrow I'm gonna go hiking somewhere. Crazy because I just left a spot that was 80 degrees in Virginia Beach to come up here where the high is going to be 60. But it should be a pretty nice weekend, but we'll see. I also love these Icon wheels, not only because they look cool obviously, but they also have a little, divot or rivet in them for when I'm airing down I can put the cap to the tires in there, so I don't even really have to worry about losing them. So that's always cool too. May have gotten here before dark, but I don't know if I'm going to find a campsite before dark. So far, we are in a pretty packed house, but it's Saturday, and this is always the problem I have. So it's nothing new. Just gotta keep looking. So far, not so lucky. There's a potential spot right there, but I have another one marked up here, but I don't really remember it. I was really trying not to camp down here because I wanted to camp here tomorrow, because I didn't spend a lot of time here the last time, but you gotta take what you can get sometimes. So hopefully, I think there's a spot right up here, but I can't remember how good it is, so let's go check it out. Hopefully not get wet. We got a decent little spot right here. Car is right down there, so I'm gonna go get it and pull it up, and we'll stay here for the night. The drive was, I've stayed in this area once before, the first time I got here on a Saturday and couldn't find a place to stay. And it was super sketchy, and the drive was just as sketchy as I remember. But at least it wasn't pitch black, so there's that. So we found a spot. It's getting a little dark. It's not windy. It was nice because when I was driving up here it was super windy, so I was actually pretty scared about that. I don't have a great spot for the tent, but there is a spot. So I'm gonna get that set up. We're gonna do an easy dinner tonight. So let this adventure begin. Alright, we got a fire going behind me. Right now it's not super cold, but it's supposed to get a little chilly throughout the night, but we'll see. Brought the 15-degree sleeping bag. I was hoping to use the 0-degree because I haven't been able to use that one yet, but it's not supposed to get under 30, so I didn't really see a reason in even bringing that one. So we'll do the 15-degree. I don't know. I'm happy to be out here. Last camping trip went extremely wrong. We ended up staying in a hotel, and this one I'm actually outside doing stuff. Probably gonna cook up some hot dogs. I kind of want to cook a couple hot dogs, or at least one hot dog on the fire, because they are just incredible on the fire. But I gotta let the fire get some coals going first. but I'm freaking hungry too, so I might just make a couple on the stove and then a late night snack one on the fire, but we'll see. Super dark already. It sucked because I should have been here about an hour ago, but I got stuck in a traffic jam because there was an accident, so I was supposed to get way more sunlight than I got, but at least I found a spot and everything is going pretty good so far. Those hot dogs were actually way better than I thought they were going to be. You can tell it's getting colder by the minute out here though. And then I can hear, you might even be able to hear too, that the firewood I got is definitely wet. It's just sizzling. But hopefully it'll catch enough just to get some coals on it. But yeah, that sucks a little bit. But we'll deal with it as always. If that's the worst thing that happens tonight, that is okay by me. But yeah, it's definitely getting a little chillier. And if there's a little breeze that comes by, you can feel it. So it's gonna be cold. It's gonna be cold tonight. It's gonna be cold tomorrow. But it is what it is.
Well, good morning. It's like 7 o'clock when I woke up. I woke up a few times last night. It wasn't the best sleep, but I wouldn't complain about it too much. It is pretty cold. Got the buddy heater running right now. Got some windows cracked so I don't die. But the nice part about like tents and stuff is they heat up quick. So you turn that buddy heater on, it warms this space up fairly quickly. There's a little breeze outside, but yeah, I woke up and I was hoping for it to be 5 in the morning, and it's almost 7, so I ridiculously slept in, so that's awesome. I'm not going to be moving real fast. There's no sun out yet. I don't know, I didn't check. I should have checked when sunrise was supposed to be with all this time change stuff, but yeah, we're going to move slow, warm up, get some layers on. Today's kind of the cold day. It's not gonna break 50 degrees, but it's supposed to be sunny, so that'll be cool. And then maybe check out around here a little bit and go off on a hike. But yeah, cook some breakfast too, obviously.
Sun is coming up fast out here and it's warming up pretty quick. If you're ever out camping and you have a crappy night's sleep and you're having a tough time waking up, I know you're probably going to do this anyway. Well, I hope you're going to do this anyway, but go ahead and when you wake up, go ahead and get your teeth brushed. You'll be amazed how good you feel or how normal you feel even after a terrible night's sleep. Once you brush your teeth, you just feel almost human again if you're not used to this kind of stuff. definitely got a breeze going through these mountains today, which isn't unbearable, but it is quite chilly when it does go through. It's just hard. I don't want to get too hot when I hike, but I also don't want to get too cold either. But like we say, like everything, we're always out here to learn, and you are watching to learn with me. Which reminds me, if you are still here, thank you for following my channel or watching this video. I hope it helps. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't give it a thumbs up. But as always, I appreciate every single one of you that is watching this right now. We are up to 120 subscribers, which is pretty cool. I'm trying to get more videos out to you guys. It's hard to get, my review videos are the ones that do the best, but I have to come out here to camp every once in a while or I won't have anything to review. Not to mention the stuff I'm reviewing I have to purchase, so I can't always just be doing review videos because my wife would kill me, and rightfully so. I can't just go out buy camping stuff all the damn time. And if I am going to be buying camping stuff, I need to use it every once in a while. So thank you for watching this. I hope this channel is helping you out. I hope it's a little entertaining. Also, as always, tell me what you want to see. Tell me if you like me driving around. Tell me if you like me brushing my teeth. That helps you out in your camping adventures. But yeah, always leave in the comments what's working for you guys. And thank you. We are all packed up here, so gonna warm the car up a little bit, and then I will meet you at the trailhead, where I'm a little nervous. First hike. Let's do this. All right, well, I made it up to the trailhead. We're getting set for our first hike, real hike here on the Accidental Overlander. I always walk around my campsites and stuff, but this is a true trail that I'll be hiking and hiking back. One of the other concerns I have is I strap my recovery boards and I keep my shovel on the outside of the truck. So if anybody wanted to steal them, it would be very easy to do so. So leave in the comments when I come back, do you think I'll still have my recovery boards and my shovel? Let's hope. First hiking shot I ever do in the history of the channel. I turn around and there's a mountain biker coming behind me, so I have to run back and pick the camera up before it gets in his way or anything. The wind is no joke, and my tripod just broke, so I'm not off to a great start, but we'll make it through. I may be new to all the outdoor stuff, but I think it's safe to say it's going to be windy when we get to that fire tower. As long as it doesn't rain. Already pretty good, and we haven't even gotten there yet. super impressed that there's a mountain biker that passed me, because riding a bike on this is pretty sketchy stuff. Never been actual mountain biking before on a mountain, but I imagine you gotta pay pretty close attention to everything you're doing, or you're in for a bad time. Now I'm regretting wearing all these layers. Certainly have a new, well, not that I didn't respect those guys anyway, but I have a new, different respect for guys I follow, like the Outdoor Gear Review and Xander, can't quite remember what the last name is, but I'll leave both of their links in the descriptions if you don't already follow them. They have like hundreds of thousands of followers anyway. But man, it's one thing to hike up, it's another to constantly be filming and then walking and backtracking or running ahead to set up the camera to make the hike even longer, which is fine. I've been trying to run and get in shape, but it's not helping me with this very much. I love watching those guys' channels, and now I'll have a new appreciation for the work that those guys do. It is beautiful though. Looks like we made it. Let's see if it was worth it. I'm just kidding. The hike was worth it anyway. Well, that's pretty pretty. I'm not gonna be in a rush because honestly, I'm not in a rush today. Why would you be? Why would you be in a rush to leave this place? Besides, I'm the only one here. I wish my family could be here, because, or at least, you know, at least my wife, at least Brianna, because she would enjoy it. The kids, this might be a little too windy for them, but, and I know Brianna would probably be freaking out if Penelope was up here anyway. And I'm kind of glad. I was debating on bringing Piper with me, but I'm kind of glad I didn't, because I don't know if I'd want Piper walking around up here either. Just thinking about it scares me a little bit. But man, it is unbelievable. I can't imagine at different times of the year. It's certainly not going to be the only time I come up here. There's other trails that I didn't know were also up here, but just gorgeous. Well, I did my duty, and I'm happy to report 0 fires seen. So I guess it is about time to hike back down. All right, my stuff was not stolen, so that is amazing. I was passing people on the way back, so I came at the perfect time, because it's not going to be super crowded or anything, but it wouldn't have been all by myself, which, you know, sometimes that's how we like it over here. The way down was way easier than the way up, which was nice. So I did do quite a bit of filming on the way back. But either way, I'm glad you guys came with me. I hope this was entertaining for you. Once again, if you ever have any questions about anything, do not hesitate to ask. That's why I'm here, to help other people trying to do the same things. So we are going to stop right here for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you next time.